Ever wished you could walk the streets of another city without leaving your couch? Today, we're diving into the incredible world of Google Maps Street View, your personal portal to exploring the globe virtually. First things first, grab your smartphone or open Google Maps on your computer. You'll want to find the search bar here. Type in the location you're curious about, a circumflex euros. Maybe your dream vacation spot, a historical landmark, or even just your own neighborhood to see it from a new perspective. Once your location pops up on the map, look for a small, circular icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This is your Street View trigger. It usually looks like a person or a tiny camera. Tap or click on it. Boom, you're now in Street View, seeing the world at eye level. Just like you're standing there, you can move around by clicking or tapping on the arrows that appear as you look in different directions. Drag your finger or mouse across the screen to pan, and get a full 360-degree view. See those blue lines on the map? They indicate the paths you can virtually travel along. You can also zoom in and out using your fingers on a touchscreen, or the scroll wheel on your mouse to get a closer look at buildings, signs, or even those intriguing little details you might miss in a regular map view. This is incredibly useful for a few things: planning a trip, get a feel for the neighborhood, find the closest coffee shop, or your hotel trying to find a specific building. Street View helps you recognize its exterior before you even arrive. Beyond travel, it's a fantastic tool for geographical exploration. Discover hidden gems, understand the layout of places you can't visit easily, or simply indulge your curiosity about the world. You can even switch between different dates for some locations to see how they've changed over time. So, whenever you need to see it to believe it, or just want a little adventure from your seat, remember the power of Google Maps Street View. Happy exploring!